Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a very unique Seiko 5 with me. This is a Seiko 5 die watch called the SRPC 51 or SRPC 51K since it's made in Malaysia. Honestly, it's one of the most unique looking Seiko 5 divers I've seen, and I never knew it existed until a buddy of mine, Melvin, who reached out to me and he said like, hey, I have this Seiko 5 that you can't really find much information about it on YouTube. Maybe it would be a good watch to review. I said hell yeah. So I got it from him on loan for a week, and I just want to see what this watch is all about. I've not really heard much about it or read much about it anywhere, and I don't know how he found out about this, but it is a really cool looking watch. As you can see, it has this really awesome bezel and dial, and it also has really cool golden indices. That's something new, at least for me. I don't see many Seiko 5 divers with gold hands indices and a blue dial. If you know of any models that have the same color combination, please hit me up and write it down in the comments, because I really think this is a pretty special piece. So I'm gonna wear this off and on for the next week. I'm gonna check out what's good about it, what's not so good about it, and come back with a full review, letting you guys know if this is a sleeper hit, if this is something you should actually look into getting for your collection. And yeah, that's about it. Just want to give you a quick look at the Seiko SRPC 51 dive watch. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know anything about this, please hit me up in the comments so I can answer them in the review, if I have time. Yeah, that's about it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like my content. It helps a ton in getting this channel to grow as I'm starting out. Really appreciate your support, and yeah, if you live in Malaysia, that's where I am, by the way. And if you have a cool watch that you want to feature on the channel, hit me up. My email address will be in the description, and yeah, I would love to feature your watch on the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day ahead, and take care.